I celebrate myself and sing myself. And what I assume, you shall assume. For every atom belonging to me, as good belongs to you. I loaf and invite my soul. I lean and loaf at my ease, observing a spear of grass. Once a child said, fetching the grass to me with full hands.
What is the grass?
How could I answer the child? I do not know what it is any more than she. I guess it must be the flag of my disposition, out of hopeful green stuff woven. I guess it is the handkerchief of the Lord, a scented gift and remembrancer, designedly dropped, bearing the owner's name some way in the corners that we may see and remark and say, whose? Or, I guess the grass is the beautiful uncut hair of graves. Tenderly, I use you, curling grass. It may be you transpire from the breasts of young men. It may be you are from old people. This grass is very dark to be from the white heads of old mothers, dark to come from under the faint red roofs of mouths. I wish I could translate the hints about the dead young men and women, and the hints about old men and mothers, and the offspring taken soon out of their laps. What do you think has become of the young and old men? And what do you think has become of the women and children? They are alive and well somewhere. The smallest sprout shows there is really no death. And if ever there was, it led forward life. All goes onward and outward. Nothing collapses. And to die is different from what anyone supposed, and luckier.